Hello everybody and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to be doing a demo of the Pickle Rick Bath Bomb by Bird Bath & Body. The scent of this bath bomb is strawberries and champagne, and unfortunately my bath bomb did actually crack right across the middle as I was unwrapping it. However, it's still going to perform absolutely wonderfully in the tub. So now without further ado, I'm just going to go ahead and lower it on down. Alright guys, so there's just these two little bits of that bath bomb left. I'm just going to kind of give them a little bit of a crumble here. All the pretty colours from the inside have come out already. Oh my goodness, look at this. I absolutely love this. This is great. I love all this foam. It's so beautiful. And the scent, the strawberries and champagne scent, is so wonderful as well. So the watercolour we've got is just this really pretty green colour. Wasn't actually sure if it would stay green considering the cool colours that were in the inside, the pinks and the purples coming out there. You can still kind of see some of the pink just on the foam there on the edge of the tub. But anyway guys, if you're enjoying my content, please do remember to subscribe if you haven't already. And while you're there, why not click the little bell icon next to the subscribe button to be notified every single time that I upload a brand new video. And if you enjoyed this video, be sure to click the like button and let me know in the comments down below what you'd like to see on my channel next. Thank you all so much for watching, and until next time. Bye guys.